Hi, I am Nagarjuna KG, lecturer in physics. Today in this video I am going to explain you some tricks to make smart guess in multiple choice questions. They are, first point is the elimination method. Eliminating options is a wonderful hack to make smart guess in multiple choice questions when you are not sure about the correct answer. So this method, so try to eliminate one by one. First one option, at least you able to eliminate at least two options, then you remain only two options. Or if you are able to eliminate three options, you will get the correct answer. This method is helpful to you when you are not sure about the correct answer. Second one is check the dimensions. This technique plays an important role in solving physics MCQs or numericals. In a question, something, for example, you try find out the time or find out some acceleration or find out some any other physical quantity. You think about the what is the unit of that particular physical quantity, what is the dimension of that given physical quantity. You check with the options, which option has the same dimensions or the same units of that particular physical quantity. By checking the dimensions with the options, you may get easily the correct answer. Third point, start from options. Sometimes it is easy to start with the given options. After you read the question, your reading is completed, you start to find out your answer from the options. It is also similar to elimination method. So you try to put the values in the options, then it may easy to find the correct option. And fourth one is avoid highest and lowest outliers. Outliers means options having extreme values. So out of the four options, you check, especially this trick helpful to you when you have all the four options are numbers. You see the four options, some smallest number, some longest number. For example, let us take one option is 9, one option is 50, one option is 67, and another option is 1000 or 1000 above something. So 1000 above 9, they are not comparable digits, not comparable numbers. In such case, so you think wisely, you try to avoid that extreme values. You may get the correct option depending upon the situation. After you read the question carefully, you think like this, in this way, then you may get your answer easily. Fifth point, questions with options like all of the above. This is very important point it is. In MCQs, some questions in your examination, you may find out of four options, one option is all of the above or none of these, none of the above. This kind of things, when the paper setter, when the examiner, while preparing the question paper, sometimes he may had some difficulties to add the options. In that situations, and you compare the options, you check the first option, second option, third option, and usually fourth option will be given all of the above. Why this all of the above or none of these are given in the options? You think wisely, you read the question carefully, and most of the cases this all of the above option may the right option. Sixth point, funny responses. It has been observed that sometimes one of the options is a funny one. This is also when the examiner or the question paper setter had a difficulty to find out the correct 4 options or reasonable 4 options. This kind of funny options may put in that question paper. So usually that kind of funny responses are the wrong options. Don't choose such kind of funny responses. Seventh point, longest response. Longest response could be a correct answer. So sometimes especially theory based questions in MCQs, in objective type examinations, a lengthy option, long options will be given sometimes. You read carefully all the 4 options. In most of the cases, that long option may be a right option. Eighth point, absolute and conditional words. In the options, it is also a the MCQ which contains theory based options, theoretical options. In that options, you check some absolute or conditional words, means some always, probably, such kind of words. You check that kind of specific words in the options. Sometimes that kind of options which contains absolute or conditional words may be a right answer. See, all these, none of these strategies to make smart guess in multiple choice questions is foolproof. And these strategies are just to narrow down your options and come up with the best possible guess. The best approach, though, is to study and be prepared for the test in order to avoid any wrong guessings. You need to make your concepts clear and make your foundation strong, which can be best achieved. And one of the most important point is, don't guess the options blindly. That is, you remember, it is most important point.